Hunter, off. Get down. Both of y'all, get back inside. Hi y'all, welcome back to my home. We are back in my backyard again today because it is a glorious summer day. Not too hot because it's about 7 p.m. at night. And today we are going to be making Kool-Aid juice bombs. Now I got the idea for this from the Station Bakery, and I'll put a link to her video down below, so go ahead over and check hers out. But I'm going to make mine with a 4th of July twist. So what we're going to be needing is white cotton candy. I got mine on Amazon. That's why it's squished so flat, is because it came from Amazon. Y'all know how it is. And blue and red instant drink mixes. Now these are sugar-free ones. This is what I always get. We've got the Fruit Juicy Red and the Berry Blue Typhoon. They're $1 a piece over at Walmart. Go get you some. They'll be really good. And these things are optional, but I've also got silver stars that we're going to add to some of them, and some edible luster dust. Again, I just got these on Amazon. Just search for luster dust and edible stars. So, what you're going to want to do is take your cotton candy and open it, if you can. Now, this is a 4-ounce pack, okay? Most cotton candy that you'll get is usually about 1 ounce. Make sure that you know how much you're using. What you're going to do is take a handful of it, kind of open it up a little bit, and take you one of these Kool-Aid packs. And you're going to open up that Kool-Aid pack. Now, make it into a little bit of a ball and pour that drink mix right on in there. And then you're just going to pinch it closed and make sure you get it well closed so it doesn't open up on you until you want it to. Make sure they're really well closed. And I'm just going to put them in these little mini cupcake liners until we're ready for them. And put them over here. And then just repeat that until you've used up all your cotton candy. This one kind of messed up a bit, but that's okay. Squish it together a little bit. And on this one, we're going to use blue. On this one, we're going to put a little tiny scoopful of these edible stars. Just right there in the middle with your cotton candy. And these are pretty forgiving. Just make sure you don't have any holes. Compact them pretty well until you've got a ball-ish shape. And then we're done with that one as well. Now, we're going to do this again. Going to take our cotton candy and just kind of make you a space in there for your fillings. This one actually probably needs a little more cotton candy in it. So let's add it some. That's probably a bit too much. This is just going to be a big one. How's that, y'all? We're going to go with red on this one. And then just pour your drink mix right on in. And then add you a little scoopful of your stars. Let's add a little bit of the silver luster dust to this one, just so we can see what it ends up looking like later. Just a little bit. Don't want to do too much. And then just pinch that closed. Whoop. Well, and that's why you got to make sure it's well closed. We've got stars and powder falling out here. Well, now, let's just see if we can salvage this one, shall we? Break it open. Get the drink mix and stars out. Let's try this again. Get you a decent chunk of cotton candy. Kinda squish it around a bit. And then let's pour our mix in. There we go. That did a little bit better. And we'll put that in our little muffin cup until we're ready. Now y'all, I'm just gonna finish up the rest of these. You've seen the basic technique. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of these and we'll come back and see how they look when we drop them in water. Just stick around and we'll see what we can turn out with. All right, so now we're gonna take one, and I don't know which one it is, because once they're made up, you can't tell the difference. They're all white. So what's inside? Is it red or is it blue? We're gonna find out. First one. Look at that, y'all. You can see the stars in it. The little silver stars that I added. I think this one might be one of the ones I put luster dust in. There you go. That's why they're Kool-Aid surprise. Let's try another one. All right, let's try this one. And that one is red. Just stir it up until it dissolves. And again, you can see the stars in it. And now for the last one, the one that I really just want to see. Now this one ended up being a blue and a red together, and that's why it is gigantic. And we're going to see what it turns into. I just put a little bit of everything, a little bit of each of the luster dust, the stars, the red, and the blue. Let's see what we get. And of course, we get a sparkly purple galaxy. Of course, this is not enough water for two of them, so I would have to add more water. Now, for storage, you can just keep them in an airtight container at room temperature. Even in an airtight container, though, after a day or so, they will get very, very hard. But that's okay. Just drop them in the water and the entire thing dissolves. It's just sugar, after all. Well, thank y'all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. We made sparkly red, white, and blue Kool-Aid surprise bombs for the 4th of July. Now, you could change this up to any color that you want. If you wanted to do it for a birthday party, use the birthday person's favorite colors. Do it for graduation in your school colors. Do it for Christmas in red and green if you want to. Do it for whatever holiday. Do it because it's Monday and make it your favorite color. No matter what, just have fun with it. And whenever you want to, come on back to my home and just share some time with me and have fun. Y'all be safe and have a good time. See you later. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, heroes on the half shell. Turtle power! Alright. Now that that's out of the way. Yay!